My beautiful country people, how una dey oh? My people, I dey greet una according to una time. My people, oh, una don hear? Make una sit down or make una tanda. Make una come here oh, the Edochie family, they don dey run kitikiti, dey run katakata. Dey run kitikiti, dey run katakata. They see wetin they wan do their son, wey they call Yul Edochie, for bringing the Edochie family into the mud. Sir Pet Edochie don call urgent meeting. He say this kind thing never happen in the history of Edochie family. Say wetin dem dey hear so. Say wetin dem dey hear so. My people, no be small thing o. It is not a small something o. Hey, hey, my country people, una know all the gbasgbos when e be say dey happen for social media concerning the issue when e be say Queen May lawyer come out to come drag Yul Edochie, say Yul Edochie no dey perform im fatherly role in the life of im pikin dem. According to Queen May lawyer, e tok say Yul Edochie say im dey practice polygamy. Then they even dey compare Ned Nwoko with Yul Edochie. Na Queen May lawyer dey come let us know say Yul Edochie no dey pay. No, in fact, for the past, since when e be say e marry Judy Austin, the responsibility of papa to im children, e no dey do am again. E no dey pay school fees, e no dey feed im children. Hey, as the thing land for social media, they say Sir Pet Edochie almost get heart attack. He say what? Nine people they say which one be what? E dey do like say e no know wetin dey happen. Where you for see money when want to feed that battalion when e be say, shey all of us we dey for this social media. When you all say you go born 11, he say you go born football team. And my people now know say football team na 11. He say na football team na he wan born. My people, no be to born football team be the issue. They talk and say no be to grow big teeth na be the problem. Na lip when be say you go take cover the teeth. Na there the cocoa dey. No be to born 11 pikins then na be the issue. But make sure say you get the financial muscle, the financial ability and capability to foot the bills, all the bills when be say they come out from that 11 pikin the way you want born. So all this one when Yul Edochie they come out, they brag say you want to born 11 children. So even the 4 when he be say he manage, I been at 6 now when be say no manage get, because Judy Austin get 2. Queen May get 3, na be 5. So this 5 self, you never even feel pay school fees finish. Child, what a shame. My people, they say as Pet Edochie hear this thing where Queen May lawyer talk. Now he call urgent meeting. As for Pet Edochie, he never wanted to even answer Yul, because he say wetin Yul use his head carry na go. But now they don dey drag name wey be say im build, when e take am how many years to build into the mud, and e no go fit quiet dey look. Even the senior sister wey they call Eva, call him papa, na that one not even call him papa abeg. They need Yul need urgent attention. Yul need urgent attention. Say they no go. Say all of them don dey vex for Yul since. They vex for Yul since, but from wetin they see now, they need to call meeting so that they go see to wetin be the issue. Hey, my people, they say Sir Pet Edochie come call meeting. Call meeting oh. Leo dey there, Uche dey there, Eva dey there, the other of their brother Eugene Abina Junius, he dey there. Then Yul Coconut said he dey there. Links Edochie, he dey there. All of them complete for online meeting wey we say dem do, because no time to come dey gather, to come dey do physical meeting. My people, it's not a small something. Now for the meeting, we even first come out, we even first talk. Na Links Edochie na him first talk. That one greeting papa, because Links Edochie get wisdom like him papa. Greeting papa, tell papa say thank you for calling this meeting. Say because the matter when we say dey ground now, he pass be careful. He don't pass be careful. Why I say don't pass be careful? Be say I remember when they talk about this whole thing. Say Yul Edochie come out, they call and say they support Queen May. So they Yul Edochie still don't follow him for social media because of say he decide to tell her the truth. Say well now when we say the thing don't be like this, share all of them now. Don't see that thing when it be say they talk. Now this one no be matter of they will say because this whole thing when we say they happen, in when we say be Links Edochie, they are aware of it very well. And there was a time he don't call Yul Edochie to address this issue. Yul Edochie bullshit am. Even tell am say none of his business, say nothing concern am. We may not be wife. Say na a family problem be that one. Your family problem now, the name of Edochie now, they don't they drag her into mud. Say so. Now so now he call they say wetin he won't talk now be say this whole thing now where we say they go on when it be say social media don't catch fire because of the Edochies. Say all of them they live a very quiet life right from beginning. Not until Yul Edochie enter this polygamy. When they tell and say Yul Edochie won't marry, in washing, painting, pilot and come out for ground. Say in hand not day. Since that time, Yul they keep my list with her. Say he no support her. Say now, don't reach for now that they come, they say me they come know how they want do. How they want do the matter. How they want do the matter. Say even when be say be Links Edochie, they will in their way of waiting they go on. Even Daniel tell am the issue. When he confront Yul tell am say na papa and pikin matter. Say nothing concern am. Now this matter, why be say Yul Edochie no wan comot this matter for social media? Because if you look at this whole thing very well, now Links they talk. He say if you look at this thing very well, we may know they talk. We may have never come out to accuse Yul Edochie of anything. It was this same Yul and Judy Austin that will come out and be saying all sorts of things. And you want Queen May to quiet. The lawyer have spoken. And all of us, we heard what he said. And at this age, our father, this is your retirement age. It's not good for you to be seeing this kind of thing at this your age. So, let's go talk say, now solution. Make others bring solution. How they want take first of all, go pay the children school fees. If you know the ones where be say you never pay, they need to return back the money where be say we made they pay the children school fees. Say because the children bears the Edochies. Now slap on their face. It has never happened in history. Say Edochies don't fit pay children school fees. Who does that? My people, it is not a small something. No. So when Links they talk, now Leo come tell and say Leo now be the senior one now. The one when he follow and go pay bride price for Judy. Now he come say okay, he don't do because Links they blow hot. You Links they talk because the thing they pay you Links Edochie for body. They pay now well because at this age the papa not supposed to see all this kind of thing. So that Uche come tell us make he calm down. Say he understand the situation of things. Say Sakpa Benson really hold Yul Edochie well. The Sakpa when he be say he hold Yul Edochie, he wear akbola shoe, come tie gele. Say he's strong. Say why they say the Sakpa strong well say because he remember how Yul Edochie come beg her money. Tell her say in the hospital in nowhere. Now he pay the hospital bill. So if Yul Edochie could not pay the children's school fees, not be say Yul Edochie no want to pay now because of he no get the money. Now Links tell us okay. Now you know say no get the money, but you follow and go marry. You follow and when they tell us say this polygamy he no go favor am. You follow and go marry Judy come. Now to even pay school fees. Not be who don't chop belle food they go marry another wife. Or you expect Queen May. Why did you not ask Yul Edochie how were they managing ever since he never go marry Judy come? How did they take manage? Was it not Queen May that was paying fee? Was it not Queen May that is carrying the family without nobody knowing? Now, how you think say Queen May go agree for polygamy? Then she will not be bringing her money to feed Judy and her battalion. Is it possible? So Uche come tell am say make e calm down, say the deed has been done. The only thing now be say they need to call Judy Austin, say the enough hyping don't do. The hyping when e be say the hype Yul Edochie, e don't do. Make e convert the hyping to money. Make e hit the street running. Make e hit the stage running by going to look for something that he would do to support the husband. Because Queen May herself is not coming out to show body. Person when be say e get the money, say so. And Yul Edochie should remove this whole thing for social media. This whole thing, every time you go the grand interview up and down for social media, it's high time you remove herself, because the thing is getting irritating. And this Isimili Global, Isimili Geoffo, that this Judy is selling her, is selling him, that they should stay outside social. They come out all this thing for social media. Say now Yul Edochie now they bring this whole thing. If he come out for come out all this thing, all this buzzwords for social media, all this thing, if he had not gone to grant interview by saying that he's going to marry 50 wife, and you are going to marry 50 wife, you cannot feed 5 children that you have. What kind of 50 wife are you going to marry? So all these things when we say they talk, now they make people they attack her. Say now they know say Yul Edochie don't go down, pata no money. So they should contribute money for him. So Links come talk say, no, Uche come stand up, come talk say, the matter when we say they grant now, we say that they say they should contribute money for Yul Edochie. Him is not contributing any money for Yul Edochie. The only thing that he will say is that if Yul Edochie is owing school fees, which is supposed to pay for Queen May's for his children that Queen May gave birth to, let them find out how many terms is he owing, or if he's not owing. If it is true that Queen May is the one footing all these bills, the money should be refunded to Queen May, because Queen May is not the owner of those children. The children they bear Edochies. So any solution will be said they go find first of all to first of all appeals make Queen May heart sweet and say, because far away they lay egg nyash they pain am. Yes, because that woman is not talking doesn't mean that she's happy over everything. How will Yul Edochie leave everything for her? Who does that? And every day go come out for social media, they dance with Judy Austin. Who does that? Now Leo still they insist say, because Leo na supporters club, now be the person wey be say that they blame say now cause all this thing. If he had not followed Yul Edochie to go pay Judy bride price, or if he stand in ground say he no go follow Yul Edochie, I nothing say Yul Edochie for get that mind to move. They talk say Yul no get the money. Yul no get the money. No be say no be say no wan pay. You know say you no wan pay and you go dey do polygamy, abi? So Uche come talk say him when he be Uche, he no go give Yul any money. The only thing wey be say he go do be say if he want to support Yul Edochie for in the aspect of paying the children their school fees, he go do that one, and he go make sure say any money wey they bring they come out go enter the school fees account, or Daniel or Carl or Zane account. He no go give Yul Edochie any amount of money wey be say after they give Yul Edochie money finish, here and Judy Austin they go groove am, they go chop the money finish. He say e no work. Say there was a time Yul Edochie and Judy Austin came out, say they made $10,000 from their content when they create. Make them ask Yul Edochie where the $10,000 dey. Person wey be say get $10,000 for Nigeria can start a very meaningful business if na person wey be say he know wetin he dey do with him life. Say so which one be all this one? Because dem wey be say dem dey here, they have their own family issue. The only thing wetin make am show concern now be say They don't they drag the Edochies to the mud. The whole of social media now they catch fire on top of Yul Edochie matter. And the thing is affecting their mama and their papa. That is why it be like say he want to even chook mouth. If not so, he go only leave Yul, make he carry him cross. Make he carry him cross because Okpana Okpoko Buje Ntichirie. Na so him talk. He say Abaka when frog catch, you know hear word. If you hear word, frog for no catch am. Una dey see am so. So na parable na he talk. Then their sister wey they call Eva come calm all of them down. Say all this thing wey be say then they talk. Say in the hear am. He say in wey be say e be Eva. She's not happy at all. No be say she dey happy. Say this thing a very disgraceful thing. Say in know Yul Edochie when he was married to Queen May. How Yul Edochie made a tremendous progress. Now, Yul Edochie don't naked himself for public because of this whole thing when it go on. Now it is done on everybody. Even Tom, Dick and Harry, cockroach, rat. Everybody don't know say Queen May was once the breadwinner of the home. Because if Queen May is not the breadwinner, how come Yul Edochie no dey fit dey win the bread again? Yul Edochie was just doing fine boy. Queen May was hustling. She was the one running May Mart, doing all sort of business, making sure things are going well. Okay, now, you went and married this girl that you call Judy. What is Judy doing for a living apart from acting? What is she doing? Can she do business? Because if I say in notice say na only hype, now in they come out, they come hype Yul Edochie. And Yul Edochie, you should try and humble yourself. Your pride is too much. What is Isi Millie? What is Isi Millie? What is Isi Millie and Ojere Odegu? What is all this one? You people don't have 1 naira in your pocket. You people cannot food to be. You cannot pay your children's school fees. You cannot feed them. You are here every day. Somebody is calling you Odegu and you are happy. What is the happiness all about? Or is it that you people are pretending? Because you know if you understand what they do like people where they craze. Say because it's very, very annoying. Their mother and their father, they are retiree. Why is it that Yul Edochie is the one bringing a lot of problem to them? The Edochie family, nobody used to hear their voice. They used to be family with morally upright. Their father bring them up well. Why will you choose this path? Why will he choose this path? Now they are calling them. How long will they continue to be giving you money? If they even say they should contribute money to Yul Edochie, how much? The Judy Austin, can't she take? I think she's a celebrity. Don't she? Did she not see the way Queen May is converting everything to making money? Why can't she? That is simply that she's shouting, use it to shout and sell something and make money. So my people, if I say yes, they go see what they go do. And not be even to carry money give Yul Edochie because there's no way we say you go continue to give person fish. You can't continue to be giving somebody fish. You will teach the person how to fish. And another thing you will ask is if the person that you are giving you want to teach how to fish is ready to learn how to fish. That's another thing. Because now it don't be like this now. They don't call all of them. They don't say yes. You don't call all of them. If they even gather money and give Judy Austin and Yul Edochie, what is the probability that they will be able to continue taking care of the children? Or don't you think that they have made money before? What did they use the money to do? My people not be smart. Yul Edochie come back. Converse. Say what himself. Say the talk don't too much. This one go filter and go here. This one go push and go here. This one go waiting. Ain't no say make mistake now. They go kill on top of the mistake again. No be solution in they find. No be solution. Queen May no gree come back to Ram. I ain't go do. So he need to move forward. He need to look for something doing. Wetin dey expect say make una ask me, ask you all wetin he go do. No be say una go come dey castigate me up and down. Na wetin you dey talk. Say he dey sorry for wetin happen. Say he no plan am like this. Now Links tell am say, will he go out of social media? Will this whole marriage issue go out of social media because it's becoming very, very embarrassing? My people, now so dem talk. They come promise say they go give you all money. But Link dey suggest say make dem send the money into Queen May children's account, so that they no go leave all the load for Queen May make e dey carry. Even though Queen May like make e dey make billions, it is not her responsibility to pay children's school fees. It's not done anywhere. So my people, and so they come dey talk to say quarrel, fight won't even burst at the end of the day. Their papa come settle them. Their papa come say in conclusion, what is the solution? Now all of them come agree say they go send for Daniel, because Daniel now be the grown up pikin of Yul Edochie from Queen May daughter. So they go ask them a lot of things, and they go ask them everything where we say they need, so that they go assist in this whole thing. Say because it's very, very appalling, it's disgraceful. Say this kind of thing they happen, they all keep quiet. So my people, now the meeting where we say they go be that. Then they say they go send for Daniel Edochie, which is Daniela, Queen May's daughter. So until then, we go dey bring on our updates. My people, this is the morning gist. I agree to according to una type, depending on one they watch me. All my returning viewers and subscribers, I say God will bless una. Una have a nice day. Bye.